It's B.
Okay, so it's D option. Fine.
B. Ball.
B, Bombay,
Yes, sir.
13.2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, explain, Ashish.
Sir, I take 64 votes to the person S and 36 to the person A.
Done.
Now,
What next?
the 20% is around 12.8.
What is around?
Sir, exactly
Find exact
12.8.
answer. 12.8, go over there.
Yes, sir.
So S supporters left are 64 minus 12.8, which is
Yes, sir.
51.2.
51.2.
Hmm.
And so 15% of 36 is 5.4.
Okay. How did you calculate 5.4?
So 3.6 plus 1.8.
Pardon?
So 3.6 plus 1.8.
I didn't get you.
Sir, 36 plus 18.
That is 54, and that is half of that. 1/10 that is 5.4, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what?
So this becomes 56.6.
56.6. All right.
And to the person having 36, it will become 43.4.
Okay.
So
How many he has to attract here? 13.2.
32.
Then he will have, and he will
Okay.
have. Will there be a tie in that case?
So,
Tell me.
no, sir.
Then what?
That's to be half.
First of all, this was not required to be calculated. This was not required. Nothing of this sort. The moment you got this, the job is done. What is beyond 50 is 6.6. S still has 6.6 people more. For tie, then S should have 50. So 6.6,
Yes,
A has to attract from S towards himself. So 6.6, not double of that. Okay.
yes, sir.
So the correct answer is D option. So let's proceed now to our next question, which is this. Ashish, take some rest. Let others also say something. Come on, guys, we have so many people preparing for CAT, or is only Ashish preparing for CAT? Or 3-4 people? Sawyer says A option, okay? Ashish, your answer also A option or something else? A option, okay. Anyone who wants to share his method? Unless you think it's a secret. Who wants to share? No one? Why are you so shy? Should I call names? Or you want to volunteer? Ashish, what do you want to say?
The solution is ka.
Okay.
So
There seems like we have no other choice but to hear your voice only today.
it's 1.1 raised to power 5 into 0.9 raised to power 3.
Okay.
Sir, I take 1.1 raised to power 3 into 0.9 into raised to power 3. So that will become 0.99.
This is power 3.
Yes,
So
sir.
1.1 you said cube
Yes, sir.
into 0.9 cube
Yes, sir.
into 1.1 square.
It's 0.99 cube
0.99 cube
into
into 1.1
1.2.
square. Okay.
सर 21 तो 20 ये हो गया अराउंड
This is
बाकी
1.21.
तो सर इनका अप्रॉक्स 18 के आसपास आ जाएगा
This is
0.2
approx 1 or little less than 1. So it will be nearly less
20
than 20%.
yes
Slightly less than 20%. The nearest answer is A option. Isn't it? Did you guys get this point? Yes, no, maybe, what? Sagar also got the answer A option. Ketan says, Ketan doesn't get this. Ketan, come out. Speak up. Raise your hand first of all. Okay, unmute.
सर ये समझ नहीं आया सर 10% वाला कैसे किया
Initially, price was 100 rupees.
यस सर
Increased by 10%, so 1 plus 10 by 100. It happened for 5 consecutive years, so it's compounding basis.
ओके सर
And for next 3 years, BGP came, so it is for 3 years, so 10%
will decrease
less,
by
9
10%
power 3.
0.9
Then is the calculations.
ओके सर
However, what you can also do here is, now Ashish, some shortcut. This is a proper method, although it is also fast enough. We can say 10% successively for 5 years and then 10% declining for 3 more years.
yes sir
And in successive formula, we have discussed that the order of increments and decrements doesn't matter. So I can say 10% increase, next year 10% decrease, then 10 increase, 10 decrease 3 times, and then remaining 2 times 10 increases. 10% increase each time for the remaining 2 more years. So 10% increase and 10% decrease thereafter means net 1% decrease using the formula A plus B plus AB by 100. So
Yes,
there are
sir.
3 decreases of 1% each. Effectively 3% decrease, effectively, roughly. And 2 increases of 10% means 21% increase. So 21 minus 3, roughly 3 is around 18%. Around. Maybe half a
I
percentage
didn't
less
get
or
it.
more, I don't care because options are so far off.
I didn't get it. Can you explain again?
What, Ashish?
I didn't add this approach. Can you explain again?
Okay, you don't get this approach. I said 10% increase, then 10% decrease, then 10 increase, 10 decrease, 10 increase, 10 decrease, and then 2 more 10 increases. Is this clear? Order of increments, decrements doesn't matter. So one round of 10 increase, 10 decrease means 1% decrease. If I apply the formula of A plus B plus AB by 100, and second case also 1% decrease, third case 1% decrease. So it's a case of 3 decreases of 1% each.
Okay, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Which means effectively roughly 3% decrease, not exactly but approximately.
Yes, sir.
And then 2 increases of 10% each means 21% increase. So that
Yes, sir.
21% increase and 3% decrease is roughly 18%, a little less than 18%. And so we
Okay,
can
sir.
say A option. Now you got this point?
Yes, sir.
All of you have got this? Those who are in this meeting right now? Anyone feels that not clear? All right, so we have another problem. You can unmute yourself now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is not clear in this question?
So, first paragraph, I'm not getting it.
The main paragraph is not clear.
Yes, sir.
See, the company purchases components A and B from Germany and US respectively. So it purchases component A from Germany and component B from USA. So they will buy in their currency. Now, company produces some product whose components are A and B and something else, because A constitutes 30% of the total cost, production cost, and B constitutes 50% of the total production cost. Suppose the total cost is 100 rupees. So out of which 30 rupees goes into the cost of A product from Germany, and 50 rupees is the cost of B product which is bought from USA, and 20 rupees from something else. And we are not concerned with this 20 rupees, but we know total cost is 100 rupees as of now, and the gain is 20%. So if cost is 100, can you say selling price is 120 currently as on today? Shreyash?
Yes, sir.
Now it's clear. And then what happens in the change in international scenario? The cost of German mark, basically the earlier currency of Germany, increased by 30%. So what was earlier costing me 30 rupees will cost how much? That you have to calculate. So it will increase by 9 rupees, 30% of 30.
Yeah.
And US dollar increased by 22%. So 50% of 22 is,
11.
or 22% of 50 is 11. So my cost increases by 11. So, and then you have to solve the question. Anyway, it's almost done. Okay. Yes, Ashish.
So eighth, so it's A,
8th is A. Okay.
and sir, ninth is C.
9th is
Cannot C.
C. Okay. Vaibhav also wants to say something. Okay, let's give time this opportunity to Vaibhav. Vaibhav, please unmute yourself. Yes.
The eighth is A and ninth is also A.
8th is A and 9th is
Also A, 20%.
20%. So 9th is A. Okay. Can you explain now?
Yes, sir. Like sir, you explained that the effective cost of Germany mark will be 39 and dollar will become 61 and 20% rest. So it becomes a total of 120. The cost price
Total
if
cost
we,
was 100, selling price was 120.
yes, sir. So now when it is increased, the cost price also becomes 120. And we are allowed to increase the selling price 10%, so like it will give us a 10% gain.
10% means 132, so it's an increase. Now we can have a gain of 10%.
Yes, sir. And so in the second scenario, when it is given that 12% is decreased on 50%
So
US
50
dollar.
rupees decreased by 12% means 6 rupees decrease, 6
Yes, sir.
units.
So 50 becomes 44 and 30 becomes 36.
And 30 increased by 20%, or 6 increase. There is no change basically.
Yes, sir, no change. So like the gain remains
Gain
same as
remains
we
how
do
much?
not.
Selling
We do
price is
not
not
alter.
altered, so it was 20%. Ashish, how did you get something else?
Sir, actually, I did a mistake. I read that the current gain is 20%. Instead of that, gain is 20.
All right. Anyway, now it's clear.
Okay, sir.
So 8th is A option, 9th is also A option. Since other guys are not speaking, so I'm assuming they are clear with this. I don't know how many of them are actually clear with this. Next problem. Okay, so Anshu says 40%. Anshu, unmute yourself and explain how you got 40%. Okay, Ketan, then you come over. I give you. Ketan, you can unmute yourself and start speaking. Okay, wait. We have Kuldeep. Somebody new is coming. Kuldeep,
Yes, sir.
unmute yourself and switch on your video if
Ketan.
possible.
So,
Yes, please.
so मैंने इस तरीके से
Oh, Ketan, no, hold on. Kuldeep, I want Kuldeep.
Ketan.
You have already spoken many times.
हेलो सर, कुलदीप सर.
Hi, Kuldeep.
सर राजेश का अगर CP 100 है तो उसका SP 120 होगा.
Wait. राजेश का CP 100 है तो
उसका SP 120 होगा.
120 होगा. Fair
और
enough.
सर महेश का अगर CP 100 है.
Now you can't say like this because then his profit will be 24, so SP will be 124. But then
Sir,
that doesn't match with the next line.
नहीं सर, उसको भी बाद में कर लेंगे हम लोग एडजस्ट मतलब.
Okay, so Mahesh's CP is 100. Then what?
सर इसका SP 124 होगा.
Okay.
सर अब उधर जो 20 है सर, वो प्रॉफिट 20 है. 20 का 60% निकालेंगे तो सर 12 निकलेगा.
Okay.
और सर यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट 24 निकल रहा है.
Okay.
इसको 12 बनाने के लिए सर सारी टर्म्स को 1/2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे.
इसको.
यस सर.
This is 50 and this is 62.
यस सर. अब सर जो पूछा है उसको करेंगे तो आंसर सर 62 आएगा.
So what? So answer will be
62%.
So SP of the article sold by Mahesh, which is what? 62, is what percent of the CP of Rajesh, which is 100. So it's a clear answer of 62%. Very well said. Good.
Thank you sir.
You can lower your hand. So anyone having any doubt left on this? It is not B option. It is A option. So Kuldeep did by this method, or we can say that if Mahesh CP is 100, then his profit is 24. And profit earned by Mahesh is 60% of profit by Rajesh. So profit by Rajesh is 40 rupees. And 40 rupees is 20% of the cost price of Rajesh. So cost price of Rajesh comes out to 200 rupees. The SP of Mahesh is 124. This is what percent of the CP of Rajesh. CP of Rajesh is 200, and that comes out to again 62%. You can follow this approach also. Both are equally good. Kuldeep's approach and this approach. In fact, essentially they are same at the fundamental level. Okay, so are you enjoying this session today?
Yes, sir.
Learning something, some brilliant shortcuts?
Yes, sir.
Others are not? All right. So now I am giving all of you right to unmute yourself every time. Hold on. Now you can unmute yourself without my prompting. Let us see who all can solve 11th question. Okay, so many people said yes, sir, they are enjoying. That means you all are enjoying this session and also learning a lot of shortcuts. The whole idea of these workshops, which I'm conducting for all of you, is to benefit you people. And the idea is to discuss lots of smart techniques of solving these questions. There are actually available shortcuts. And many of the questions which we have discussed so far are also actual past year problems. All right, so get going. Please start doing question number 11.
Is that no unique answer is possible?
Fourth option.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Fourth
Yes,
option.
sir. For
Yes,
no-
sir.
Yes, sir. Fourth option.
Oh, so unanimous answer, fourth option. So should we accept because of democracy? And many people said fourth, so it is fourth option.
नो सर एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम ये हो रहा है कि x तो बोल दिया गया है कि मेल तो शायद कम है ना, तो 300 के बाद से मल्टीपल वैल्यूज हो जाएंगे, तो एग्जैक्ट नहीं निकलने से तो फिर हम लोग निकाल नहीं सकते, वहां से तो सारे वैल्यूज ही पॉसिबिलिटी आ जाएंगे, तो इसलिए मुझे फोर्थ लगा.
It's more than 5700. So वो option related 5700 कोई वो नहीं दे रखा हमको particular
Sir,
चीज
Why?
से
Because
निकलेगा.
of why more than 5700?
सर 351 लिया ना
Sir,
सर.
350 more than 350.
351 लेके सर 50.
Number of females are more than 350.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
If they
sir.
are equal 350, that is a limiting case.
Yes, sir. More than that, that's why it's
350
more
into
than.
20 plus 16.3 is 20 plus 16.3 is what? 36.3 into 350. 36.3 into 350 हो गए ना?
Yes, sir.
If they are equal number of males and females, the limiting case of this, so we have 20 into 350 plus 16.3 into 350, right? And
Yes, sir.
that means 20 plus 16.3 is 36.3 into 350. So it's like 35 square. So this is what?
1270.
1225.
Yeah.
A little more than 1225, around a little more than 1300. And all options are more than that. So how do you say more than 5700? And main thing is the allowance paid is independent of number of men.
So that's why it is not possible in this case. Sir, options are 3260 or 6520, and
This is no easy question.
4890 is not divisible by 20, and 8150 is also.
तो मल्टीपल वैल्यूज होंगे इसलिए पॉसिबल नहीं है, ये हम लोग बोल सकते हैं क्या कि मतलब 350 के बाद तो सारे वैल्यूज ही फिजिबल हो जाएंगे, इसमें तो कोई भी नहीं हो सकता इसलिए फोर ऑप्शन.
Why does it say that the allowance is independent of number of men then?
Sir, only ये line ही confuse कर रही है बस.
तो सर मतलब फीमेल पे डिपेंड कर रहा है, तो एक तो दे दिया कि मतलब मेल कम है तो फीमेल से भी सिर्फ जाएंगे, तो भी मतलब मल्टीपल वैल्यूज पॉसिबल है इसके.
तो मतलब काइंड ऑफ एलसीएम जैसा होगा ना ये, 3260 से या ऐसा, मतलब इवन डिजिट में आ रहा है लास्ट में, मतलब सेकंड लास्ट डिजिट.
Nothing of that sort.
सर आप अपना अप्रोच एक बार फिर बता दीजिए.
So how should we start in this question? If it is so confusing already. So let us say number of men is X. So number of women is 700 minus X.
Yeah.
A certain percentage of males refuse to accept the offer. Let us say R% of males refused. So how many males accepted? X number of males into 1 minus R%. This is number of males who accepted the offer. Into 20 is the total allowance paid to men. Plus what is paid to women is 16.3 into 700 minus X. This is total allowance paid. That's TA, total allowance. And this is independent of number of men. So let us do one thing. What is the coefficient of x in the left hand side expression? 20 minus r by 5, and then we have what? Minus 16.3 plus 16.3 into 700, and that is equal to total allowance, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And this is independent of x. When will this expression be independent of x? When the coefficient of x is 0. So 20 minus 16.3 is 3.7
3.7.
into 5 will be r.
Yes, sir.
So what is that? 18.5 if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
That means 18.5% of the males refuse to accept if this data is to be correct. So we can find out the exact value of R. No hit and trial. And in that case, what is the allowance paid to the women? Can you find out?
No, sir.
Why not?
Sir, number of months अभी भी clear नहीं है.
Okay. Think for a minute or two. How many men refuse the offer? 18.5% of X.
Yes, sir.
It means 185 by 10 into 100 into X. 5 cancels. So what we have is, or what we can do is 37 by 200% of X.
Yes, sir.
Is this yes? Is it okay or not?
Okay, sir. Got it now.
Yes, please, all of you. 18.5% means 37 by 2% means 37 by 200 times of X. And for this to be a natural number, what should be X?
200.
200 or multiple of that. So it can be three
Okay.
possibilities: 200, 400, 600. And it's also given males are less than females. So what is the possibility?
400 and 600.
So number of males are how many?
Hundreds.
200. Did you get it?
Yes,
Number of males are 200. So number of females are
500.
500. Into 16.3.
8150.
8150.
सर 18.5 के बाद से एक बार फिर बताइएगा.
18.5% of the number of males refuse the offer. R was 18.5%. And what is R?
Okay.
The percentage of the males who refuse to accept. That's how we arrived at the expression earlier.
Yeah.
It means 18.5% of the males refuse the offer. If that were the case, what I'm trying to say is 18.5% of X is the number of men or number of males who refuse the offer. And for this, X should be such that this expression must be a natural number. You can't have fractional number of males. And this is 37 by 200 times X. And that means X has to be nothing but a multiple of 200.
Yes, sir.
As I said, 200, 400, 600, but since number of males have to be less than 350 because males are less than females. So less than 350, only one option is there, 200.
200, yeah.
And so females are 500. And so the allowance paid to women, we can find out.
Okay, sir. तो सर इतने से एक्चुअली राइट टू स्पीच बैन था ना तो पूछने पर ही बन रहा था अभी ठीक.
This was amazing question. Brijansh
Seriously.
Pandey is saying it's an amazing question. This actually was a very good question.
Yes, sir.
It had
Undoubtedly.
twists and turns. And I think you would never have seen such a question earlier. So now you can say something about the workshop. If you liked it, hated it, disliked it, what? Unmute.
It was great, sir.
It was great.
Yes, sir.
No one
I
can
choose a
dislike it, sir.
great question. Yeah.
No one can dislike it for sure.
See, if you watch this video on YouTube, that's fine. The others who have missed it, but then if you attend it, you can ask questions. Attending is far more important than watching it later on. When you watch it, you are being a passive listener, passive watcher. Here I am, faculty in hard mass, and you can always ask questions. Thank you for watching this video. In case you have any queries regarding this video, you can always approach me on the mentioned email ID. Alternatively, you can also send the comments in the comment box.